In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cash expenses in QuickBooks. We're going to walk through the full process of setting up a cash account and then using it to properly record a cash expense. This is especially useful if you pay for small business purchases with petty cash and want to make sure those expenses are tracked accurately in QuickBooks without affecting your main bank account. Start by opening QuickBooks. Once you're in, go to the accounting section in the left-hand menu. From there, click on Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your business accounts are listed, including bank accounts, credit cards, and expense-related accounts. To track cash expenses correctly, you'll first need to create a dedicated cash account. Click New Account to create a new one. In the account type field, choose Bank. Even though this is cash and not a traditional bank account, this setup allows QuickBooks to treat it like a payment source. Then, for the detail type, select Cash on Hand. This is the best option for petty cash or any physical cash your business uses for purchases. Next, enter a name for the account. Use something clear and easy to recognize, such as petty cash or cash on hand, so you can quickly select it later when entering expenses. After naming the account, click Save and Close. Now that the account is ready, you can record the actual cash expense. Click the Create button and choose Expense. This opens the expense entry screen where you'll enter the purchase details. In the Payee field, select the supplier if there is one. If this was a general cash purchase and you don't need to assign it to a specific vendor, you can leave that field blank. Then move to the Payment Account field and choose the petty cash account you just created. And this part is important because it tells QuickBooks the money came from your cash on hand instead of your checking account. After that, enter the payment date to match the actual purchase date and set the payment method to cash. This helps keep your records accurate and makes reporting easier later on. In the Category Details section, choose the appropriate expense category for the purchase and enter the amount. Make sure the category matches the type of expense since this affects how your reports and financial statements are organized. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. And that's it. Your cash expense is now recorded properly in QuickBooks using your cash account, which keeps your bookkeeping clean, organized, and much easier to review later.